It's the 15th of October, and this marks 9 days that the entire subcontinent spent celebrating female energy. It's called Navratri, right? It's actually 9 days of celebration of the female energy that exists in each and every one of us. In fact, think of this as a 3 by 3, where you could have different aspects of the female energy, whether it be kindness, whether it be strength, whether it's brilliance, knowledge, destruction. You can see all of those different energies depicted there. Now, the best part about all of these days is our ability to think and reflect about how could we bring these different characteristics to work every day. For example, one of the elements that you may want to go ahead and look at is possibly empowerment. So as you think about your meetings today, you are thinking about how is it that I can move one of my team members from just being a capable doer to making them an independent achiever. Or perhaps you want to go ahead and build on that productive conflict mindset in having a crucial conversation with a family member. Whatever it is, think about all of these 9 different opportunities as capabilities and lenses that you can build to achieve more every day. Good luck as you think consciously and proactively about how you could achieve higher order outcomes every day by looking through this 3 by 3 of possibilities and capabilities. Good luck.